State officials have called Washington's $12 billion shortfall the largest ever, saying that it's a unique situation resulting from a perfect storm of factors, including below-average revenue. To put these claims in context, let's look at some recent history. Because Washington's economy is generally growing, revenue coming into the states grows along with it. Here, we see the rate of revenue growth for the 2003 to 2005 two-year budget cycle and the 2005 to 2007 budget cycle. But the economy isn't always growing. A recession is when the economy experiences negative growth, and this directly impacts state revenues. Here, we see the impact of the Great Recession on Washington's revenues. In the 2007 to 2009 budget, revenue growth plummeted from 17.3% to almost zero. In the next budget cycle, revenues grew by negative 5.4%, which means the state took in less money than in 2007 to 2009. As the economy rebounded and returned to growth, so did revenues. In the 2015 to 2017 budget cycle, revenues accelerated, and by 2021 to 23, revenues achieved a rate of growth not seen in 5 decades. But this unusual rate of growth was never expected to last. In the 2023 to 25 budget cycle, revenues continued to grow, but at a more modest rate of 3.4%. Notice that revenues did not decline as they did in 2009 to 2011, when the state took in less money than the prior years. Revenues still grew in 2023, and more money came into the state than in 2021 to 2023, just not as rapidly. And just as the high rate of growth in 2021 to 23 was not expected to last, the modest rate of growth in 2023 to 25 is also not expected to last. Over the next 4 years, revenues are projected to grow at 7.5% in each of the 2-year budget cycles. And this growth is expected to generate $10 billion more in revenue in the 2027 to 2029 budget cycle than in the current 2023 to 2025 budget cycle.
Watch Part 2 to see how the shortfalls compare.